focus on your lane so that it'll keep you moving forward. And I've had some really great experiences. As a result, I was able to hone into my abilities and be recognized by Bob Olson as one of the top 10 psychic mediums. And he was an investigator, and he tested me. And I didn't expect that. It wasn't something I knew that if I was going to work in the spirit world, that I wanted to be someone of integrity, that I didn't want to use any tools per se. I just wanted it to be, for me, it felt like a gift and an ability. And so I just shared that. And so I'm just sharing this with you just so you get to know me a little bit. I'm hoping that you'll join me on this spirit pathway on your own and let me work with you. So just wanted to share a little bit about what happened. And love and service, I've always been inspired with love and service, helping people, connect to their loved ones. I have done readings for more than 12 years. I retired this year from doing private readings and focused on teaching just for my health reasons. And I've been in the studio recording meditations, and I love to do it, all right? So partnering with the spirit world is your birthright.
Are you ready to connect with your spirit guides, angels, and loved ones? I'll show you how in my 2-part free Spirit Pathway workshop. You'll learn how to access healing wisdom, messages, support, and love waiting for you. Sign up today.